Good afternoon, welcome. My name is Leroy. We're going to be doing very light and simple dish for you today. It's pan-seared snapper with grilled lettuce. All right, it's a Mediterranean-oriented dish, and we're going to serve that with a light lemon vinaigrette. All right, the first thing we're going to do is going to grill our lettuce. We're going to be grilling the lettuce so we can actually pull the sugar from the lettuce and let it a little sweeter. So we have the lettuce on the grill, all right? Allow that to just grill. Get some grill mark on that. And now we're going to add the fillet of snapper to our cast iron pot. Now, it's very important that you pay keen attention when you're doing your pan sear. Ensure that your pot is very hot, and you begin by turning the side that you're going to show first. Alright? So here we have our fillet of snapper. You want to press that down a little so you have it evenly seared. Press that down a little. If you think your pot is getting a little cold, you can turn the flame up. Okay, let's check our lettuce. Alright, beautiful, beautiful. Usually we use romaine lettuce for this. It has a lot more sugar, brings out a lot more sweetness, but this time we're using iceberg lettuce. Alright, so that's our good lettuce. Off. Added to this, we're doing some grilled lamb, just for garnish, and we'll add. So we're gonna turn our snapper over. Beautiful. Okay, so now let's check our snapper. You can tell when your fish is ready. Soft to the touch, and you should have your fish flaky, not overcooked and mushy. Here they are, beautiful. So our pan-seared snapper is ready. We're also going to remove the line. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this is our lemon vinaigrette. We're going to begin. Here. Piece of snapper right here. Then to this we're going to add our lemon vinaigrette, and to that we add some avocado, red onion, and julienne tomato.